Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas on Askchef Channel. I suggest we cook something healthy today. Let's make a dish with kale. You can cook it in many ways, but today let's make a simple salad with a tasty Asian style dressing. I'm sure you will like it. So let's start cooking. So let's start with kale. We need to separate the leaves from the stems. You can do it very simply. Just hold the leaf with one hand and the stem with the other and pull in opposite directions. It separates easily, albeit with a characteristic creak. The stems are tough and nothing special can be cooked with them, so we discard it. Then massage those leaves properly, like green cabbage, so that they will become softer and will give juice. Tear the leaves by hand into pieces convenient for eating and put in a salad bowl. Thinly slice a quarter of a small red cabbage. Add to the salad. Clean large carrot and cut half into strips. Peel the parsnips and grate it on a fine grater. Add to the salad. Peel half of the beetroot and grate it on a coarse grater and add it to the other ingredients. Also finely slice half of a red onion. I like to add onion to almost every dish. And at the end, cut the juicy red radish with a sharp knife into circles. Now let's get to the dressing. We need 2 tablespoons of sesame paste, 1 tablespoon of miso paste, half a spoon of honey. For sourness, add 3 tablespoons of your favorite vinegar. I really like malt one. Then stir with a whisk. If it turns out too thick, just add water 50 to 100 ml. Now we are dressing the salad, and you can serve it. Bon appetit! The salad turned out colorful, juicy and very healthy. Be sure to try it. In winter it's simply an indispensable source of vitamins and minerals. Give the video a like if you enjoyed the recipe, subscribe to my Patreon to support me. Until next time, bye bye.